Hi guys, this is Neil from Kaya Academy. Today I'm going to teach you about some free website for you to be able to use on your designs. There's Adobe Stock. When you download Adobe from the Creative Cloud Adobe's website, it's going to allow you to download 10 pictures free to download. Or if you want, you can use free pick, which I generally use or many other designers use it for Photoshop or Illustrator designs. If you would like to do for your cafes, logos or brochures or social media posts, you can use this website. There are free options, or if you want to download for the like if you want to be premium customer, you can download many more. But even the free version is enough for you to do a lot designs, especially if you are not a professional designer. You will be like, it's gonna be enough for you. You will have a lot designs from here as free. For example, if you have a coffee shop, if you want to have your own logo, if you don't want to pay for the designer, you can have from here, like you can just type here cafe. From here you can click the free vector and PSD, and when you see search, they all will come out for you. They're all free. You can have plenty of nice designs from here. They're all going to be free again, I'm saying to you, and they're all being prepared from the professional designers. You can have your own brochures, logos or posters. You can use them for inside your coffee shop, on your walls, or if you want, you can use as a brochure. One side you can do like that, another side you can put your menu. Just the little retouches you have to do before the printout. Or if you speak already with one of the printer company, you can bring your own design from here, and you will tell them to write whatever you want to write behind about your company. It's gonna be make the design cheaper for you, and you will have the professional designs from here. But you don't need a designer, to be honest. You can do your own design from here. It's going to be really easy. In my next video, I will tell you how to do the designs on Photoshop anyway. Also, I will teach you how to do on Illustrator as well. Um, I just wanted to do a little tutorial about this website in this video for you to be pick anything you like to do your own designs. And you can use even like this kind of coffee stains if you want to use for your own logos. If you want to use one of these and write your company name on it, it's gonna be even enough for the coffee shop sign. um, or like if you want to use for the social media, you just need to download one of these, and on the next to it you will say, like, for example, even if you want, you can just free download this one, and on the Photoshop you can just say our tea time is, for example, 5 p.m. or wherever. Just get rid of this free pick design thing on the bottom, and it's ready to use already for you. Anything you like for your restaurant, your coffee shop. You just need to write down whatever you like for it. It's gonna bring out for you whatever you look for. Or you would, even if you look for like some nice posters for your walls in your restaurant, you just need to go for here, pick the photos, just say search. It's gonna bring out nice pictures for you to be able to use on your walls. Okay, because I picked others as well. Let's get rid of. vectors and PSD, leave the only photos left. Here we go, and you have plenty of pictures here. Even if you can use this kind of thing, you can write down here like did you try our this many, and our free time is this. Like, for example, you can use this kind of background on top. You can just write down our a happy hour is 5 to 8 kind of things, or for this kind of pictures you can use on social media. If you can't write any on top of it, you can just use this as a square on the social media. For Instagram, you can write separate our professional chefs prepares nice dishes for you kind of things. You can find whatever you look for here as free, or this kind of pictures. There are plenty of pictures and designs here you can use for. Please save this website and use it. You will be really happy about it. On my next video, I'm gonna teach you about how to do social media posts on Photoshop. Please don't forget to follow me and like. Also, please make some like nice, or if you want to like some comments about if you don't like things the way I explained to you, or if you want to learn about something, please make comments and say I want to learn about this on Photoshop or Illustrator, whatever you want to learn for, and it will be really helpful for my next video. I will teach for it. Well, at the moment, thanks for watching me, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.